Welcome to part 8. In part 8 we will be cutting a bullnose thread, so let's begin. Okay, so what we do here, we just measure the length from the right hand side where the stringer is to the end of that riser over there, and we will transfer that from that point, and we'll just transfer that distance or that measurement there just to okay, so we've got the length now been cut. Now we will check the depth and cut the back of the thread to accommodate what's underneath. Okay, so we'll just simply measure the distance. So, very important part, if you measure that distance from the one riser, front of the one riser to the front of the other riser, if you are going to transfer that size, please remember about 2 centimeters thickness of that part. So when you measure, for example, if that was 24 centimeters, add 2 centimeters to that, give you 26. Okay, now just very simple measurements just to mark where the Newel post is and just cut that little piece out. Okay. So we've got all the cuts already done. Maybe worth mentioning that we also have a square finish thread, which is like a bullnose thread. Obviously it's a square finish, so that's the right hand side, but that's also available on our website if you prefer square sort of finish. Okay, so we just put that in. Thanks for watching part 8. If you found this video useful, please subscribe our channel. All the links to the components we're using are in the comments below. So my name is Lucas, and I will see you in part 9, which we will talk about how to fix those threads to your existing staircase. See you there.